So in this question, all we are going to go and do is look at how to calculate the percentage of hydrogen in ethanol, right? And in the question, it's given us our formula for ethanol, right? And underneath, it's gone and it's given us the MRs of the separate atoms. So remember that the equation that we need to use is the percentage by mass is the mass of the element in the compound divided by the total mass of the compound. So the first thing to do is calculate the mass of the element. So we know that we've got 6 lots of hydrogen. We know that 1 hydrogen weighs 1. So all we're doing to do is 6 times by 1 to give us a total mass of 6. We then need to go and work out the mass of the compound. So we've got 2 lots of carbon. So we're going to do 2 times 12. We're adding to that 6 lots of hydrogen. So that's 6 times 1. And then we're adding to that 1 lot of oxygen, which is 16, to give us a total mass of 46. Then finally, to calculate the percentage, all we're going to do is we're going to take the mass of the hydrogen that we've worked out, divide that by the mass of the compound that we've worked out, then times that by 100, which will give us an answer of 13%. So that's quite simply how you go and work out the percentage mass of hydrogen in ethanol.